it comes to automobiles, we get a lot of questions. Two-wheelers or four-wheelers? Should I buy a manual or an automatic? Should I go for an SUV or a hatchback? And off late, should I go for an electric or a petrol car? And at the end of every year at Car and Bike, we are also troubled by one question, which is the best car and bike across segments to be launched in India. And to find that out and give us some closure, we are right here at one of the best racetracks in the world.
For a place that is so hot, I'm not feeling hot at all. I feel very cool being in so many cool bikes. I changed my accent also, that's how cool I feel. I love being here, yeah. Thank you so much, Car and Bike, for having me over here. You made my day.
So one segment which is going to be very, very tight, I feel, is the modern classic segment between the Hunter and the Ronin going head to head.
I think we've seen a lot of variety in this year's nominees, and we've also seen a lot of representation for the electric vehicles. So that's quite nice to see.
I've particularly enjoyed the Hunter. It's a very nice attempt from Royal Enfield to give you a bike which is perfect for the city.
Well, the i4 is a silent green car from BMW, but when it comes to dynamics, this car is right up there with all the other cars from this German luxury brand.
Everyone's having a lot of fun. You're getting to play with the cars, drive them, test them, and we're doing it in a safe environment. We're doing it at the track.
The one car which really stood out for me was the BMW M340i. It's the most performance-oriented vehicle on our jury this time.
Well, it's been a long day and I'm actually very tired, but my mind is still extremely energetic, and that's because we had a fantastic day here at the Buddh International Circuit.
So, looking at the entire lineup here, definitely electrics is the future.
If I had to describe today's experience, it would just be mega, because it was so much of driving and so many good cars all around, and one of the favorite tracks. Can't get any better.
So it's a wrap here at the BIC for our jury rounds of the 18th Car and Bike Awards in association with Bredestein. It's been a long, tiring, eventful but satisfying day. While the work here is done today, there will be a lot of number crunching that will happen in the background, and I can't tell you how eager I am to know who the winners will be, who will take home the coveted trophy of Car and Bike. See you soon at our awards night.